Hey everyone, what's up? It's your girl Ashley, and today we're going to be doing the soft casual glam look achieved with mostly Doucse Cosmetics and also some other stuff. Everything's listed in the description box down below. I originally heard about them through Glossybox, which is a subscription makeup service that we have here in Canada, and they sent over this little duo magnetic palette. It came with just one blush, but since then I bought 2 eyeshadows to put in it. It has a little mirror and it's really cute. I actually tweeted at them because I love the matte red, but the shimmery red was very transparent and I just wasn't impressed. And they were super awesome and sent over their huge palette, an eyeliner, which you've seen in my last few videos, and 2 mascaras. The people at Doucse sent over a really nice letter. It said, "Thanks for being an independent voice. I hope you enjoy all these bestsellers and can use them every day. Also, thanks for helping us help women everywhere," which is really cute. So thank you for sending this. I've been using the eyeshadows and the eyeliner. I haven't used mascaras yet, so we'll see how those are, but I feel like I can review these truthfully because I've been using them. They sent over this Freematic eyeshadow pro palette. It is huge. It has a matte packaging. The Glossybox one has a glossy one. It has an awesome huge mirror right here and 12 eyeshadows. These are also magnetic, so these are magnetic as well, so you can remove them and switch them up if you want. This is the original eyeshadows that came with this palette. And then we have the Ultra Precision eyeliner. It's so velvety and I actually am really impressed with this eyeliner. And then these are the products I haven't tried before. The Max Lash Volumizer Mascara and the Boombastic Lash Volumizer Mascara. When I say Boombastic, who else thinks of Boombastic? Anyone else thinks of that? So anyways, I'm going to be doing a casual glam look with these eyeshadows, mainly the big palette, because today I'm going to the JC Luxury Lash launch party. I'm going to be using Queen Bee today, and I have a really cute outfit planned out, and I did my hair. If you haven't already, please click the subscribe button down below and give this video a big thumbs up. I will really appreciate it. Also, if y'all are wondering about my long nails, y'all know I'm not a gel nail, fake nail kind of person. I use these press-on nails from Nails to Go. Sally's did not sponsor me. I wish they would, but this is where I got them from. They are just 120 blank nails, and I just painted them. Here are some that I did already. You can reuse them. It's up to you about what you feel about that. I don't think it's gross at all. As long as there's not a thick layer of glue behind the nail, I will reuse them. And then I use the Wonder Bond glue, also from Sally's. I think you can get nails like this as well at Walmart or anywhere that sells fake nails. They're really just plastic and you just paint them with nail polish. So that's my nail secret. Anyways, let's get to it. So in today's look, I guess I'm going to describe my eyeshadow look with the Doucse palette. I think it's Doucse or Doucse. I'm pretty sure it's Doucse. I like the sound of Doucse. I will describe which colors I'm using. They're written on the box. Also, thank you so much, Doucse, for sending over this makeup. Just because I complained about the one eyeshadow, I think that you guys have awesome customer service, and clearly you guys value your customers' opinions, so thank you. We're going to start off with the color Harper, which is this shade right here as our base shade, so I'm just going to put that all over my lid. Oh yeah, I already have eyeshadow primer on. I'm using the Wet n Wild Photofocus one, my absolute fave one. And then I'm going to take the color next to it, which is Dina, and we're going to put that in the crease. It's no makeup kind of color where it's very subtle. So after that, I'm going to take the color Jacqueline, which is a matte white, and use it to highlight the brow bone. And also clean up any kind of eyeshadow that went up there that should not have. And then we're going to take the color Ella, which is the darkest brown right here, and put it on our outer corner as well as in the outer half of our crease. So next I'm going to use my finger to apply a shimmer to my lid as well as the brow bone. Shimmer shadows don't work at all with a brush. They kind of just dust off and nothing actually sticks to the eyelid. This is actually something that is very common amongst some shimmer eyeshadows. So we're just going to take this gorgeous shimmery shade right here called Veronica and put it on the eyelid just to create a little bit of glam.
Bruh.
Actually, never mind. This eyeshadow doesn't work. Yeah, nothing shows up at all. it's like invisible. I'm gonna use the color Julia right here. It's like a burgundy shimmer. I think this one will be better. Okay, so honestly I have to put a lot of work in with Julia to get some color onto my lids. The one I noticed that does work really well with a brush and with your finger, it works compared to all their other shimmers, is this one right here called Mila. It's a white shimmery shade, and it actually, yeah, I don't know what the difference is between this one and all the other ones, but it actually works really well. I'm going to use it right now to highlight my brow bone. The mattes are awesome. I would suggest if you're going to shop from Doucse to buy a custom palette and just make it with mattes. So I'm just going to take some of the blush from here and put it on my cheeks. You saw it right there, the color just showed up. It's really, really pretty. I don't know, it's like their blush has almost more pigment than their shimmer shadows. So now we're going to put on some Fenty FLYLINER. This is my first time using it. It looks like this. It kind of matches the rest of the Fenty Beauty stuff. I like how you can put the lid on the back of it. Most liners you either put the lid on the table and then you lose it. It's like, ah. So anyways, here's the tip of it. It is very pointy from what I can tell. It's extremely pigmented. I actually feel like I have to be careful with it because it's more pigmented than a lot of liners where I'm being less careful, but since this is so pigmented, you can easily make a mistake. Yeah, I had to say that I really love this liquid liner. Try it out. I'm gonna find out how long it lasts on the face. Next, I'm going to line my waterline with the Doucse Ultra Precision Eyeliner Pencil. I've already used this in so many videos, but I'll show you guys. I'm going to take the second last brown shade right here and use it to smudge on my lower eyelash line. So since I'm digging the name of this one, the Boombastic one, we're going to use a Boombastic Lash Volumizer Mascara. I've never taken it out of the box before. It looks pretty cute. I like the matte packaging. It has like a small bristle brush. Let's check out the other one actually. So this one that I'm opening right now is the Max Lash Volumizer Mascara. And this one has a circular tube, whereas this one has a square tube. This one has a normal bristle brush where the bristles are long. So I'm actually really curious about the Boombastic one. I like how the brush, it looks very sleek. The mascara is not bad. It's not bad at all. It does thicken the lashes. I would be careful with applying lots of this because it can get clumpy because it's a volumizing mascara. So while I let that dry, I'm going to prepare the glue on my JC Luxury lashes in Queen Bee. These are faux mink and from their Diva collection. Obviously, as you've probably seen on my Instagram, there's like Cardi, Ariana, Mariah, Queen Bee, and Riri. How could I forget about Riri? That's my absolute favorite model out of all the lashes. Something I really like about the JC Luxury lashes is that the band isn't too skinny and too flimsy that it's hard to apply the lashes, but it's not too thick that it's like, holy man, I have lashes on my eyelids. Eyelashes just make such a difference. They just complete any look. Without eyelashes, it almost feels like the look is missing something. I don't know how people apply makeup with long nails. So these are the Queen Bee lashes. Oh, I absolutely love them. So lastly, we're just going to put on some highlighter on my cheeks and then this look will be done. I already have my lipstick on. I'm wearing the Fenty Mattemoiselle lipstick in Spanked. So I'm just putting on some Fenty Mean Money highlighter. I've used up pretty much all of my Hustle Babies. Okay, so there you have it. Here is the finished look. Let me know if you have any comments or questions, or if you agree or disagree about how I feel about Doucse Cosmetics. I like the brand, I like the people behind it. They seem really awesome and they care about our opinions as customers. And their matte shadows are awesome. Shimmers, not so much. Mascaras, yes. Eyeliner, yes. I haven't tried their lipstick yet, but it's on the list. All the makeup I use for the rest of my face is listed in the description box down below. Please make sure to check it out. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel and give me a big thumbs up, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!